So friends, what I am doing now is to link the concept of equity practically. These are the research work of last so many years. So this research work is not restricted to any point of time. You just need to understand the concept. If I am telling something about demonetization, then it doesn't mean that the class is being taken at the time of demonetization. If I am taking about coronavirus first wave or second wave, it doesn't mean that class is being conducted at this time. I can use any examples to make you learn the practical part of equity. So let's start. We will devote 10 minutes every day for this practical part, and rest everything will be covered in stock market classes. So company not managing well versus company which is managing well. So we have understood a concept that a good company is one whose rate of return is higher than investors' expectation. I am expecting 10%, but company is earning 15%. It is considered to be a good company, and vice versa. So when we see such news, broke HAL, HAL is the name of the company, borrows rupees 1000 crore to pay salaries to employees. It means this company is facing cash shortage. This company can go into liquidation anytime if its operation continues like this. This company is borrowing money for paying salary, for paying day-to-day activity. Salary is a every month affair. This company is not able to generate enough cash so that they can pay salaries to employees. So this company is very badly managed. Who will be blamed? Accountant will not be blamed. Neither tax expert will be blamed. Finance expert will be blamed for this mismanagement. Yes, friends. And there is one company named Facebook who issued IPO at 38 per share. $38 per share IPO was issued. IPO means initial public offer. First time whenever a company issue share and take money from public, this process is known as IPO. So you will be surprised to know the current market price of Facebook. If I would have been a shareholder of Facebook, then I would have been the luckiest person in the world, because now the price is around, because I cannot give any exact date because prices are dynamic, they keeps on changing every day. So I have a screenshot which I am showing you. It doesn't mean that at the time when you are seeing this class, the price will be same. It keeps on fluctuating. 38 per dollar was IPO price, and now it is around 148.19. And see the chart. This is known as a well-managed company. This is known as maximization of shareholders' wealth. Yes, my dear friends, this is practical of the word which I have written you in your notes, maximization of shareholders' wealth. This is known as maximization of shareholder wealth, and the return is very huge. Not only foreign companies like Facebook, Indian companies are also giving bumper return to our shareholders. Reliance Industries had increased 2 lakh% approximately from its IPO price. Now its share price is more than 2000 rupees. 2 lakh% return they have given to their shareholders. If you have invested 10,000 rupees, then it would have become 2.1 crore rupees. This is a return of 2 lakh%. 10,000 investment turned to 1.5 crore in 10 years. including everything like capital gain, dividend, bonus share, right share. These all screenshots are taken at different point of time. I am just making you understand the practical part of research. Equity, we are reading equity chapter. It's a wonderful chapter. For the year ending March 2021, Reliance Industries has declared an equity dividend of 70%. 70% dividend rate is 70% and dividend per share is 7 rupees. It means, what is the face value of Reliance? What is the face value of Reliance? Yes friends, the face value of Reliance is rupees 10. When you will read business newspaper, you will remember me. Aditya Jain sir had taught us in such a manner that now we are an expert in doing research. A common question usually comes to me that, sir, from where practically we can check company's dividend, company's P ratio, company's ROE, from where we can check all these things. So I have saved a screenshot. I am showing you a site where you can check any company's share price, market value, DPS, EPS, ROE, BVPS. All are practical, nothing is theoretical. Each and everything which I have given you in today's class and which I will be giving you in forthcoming class is 100% practical. Just you need to devote time with me. I will make you expert at the end of this batch. It is my guarantee. Fine, sir. So I am showing you that site. You can open it by your own and you can do your own research. Fine, sir. So you can see Reliance Industries. You can write the name of the website in a rough paper, moneycontrol.com. Here you can see the company's dividend announcement, companies announcing dividend, companies paying dividend. So these are all dividend paid by Reliance Industries. You can check board meetings, bonus share, news, technical chart, quote. You can see annual report, you can see balance sheet, you can see many things. You can see book value per share. You can see book value per share. It is 1240.37. But again I am repeating, these are screenshots which are shown to you. You should check by your own, because I just want to say you that these all are practical. It is not only theoretical that I have written you concept number this, book value per share, concept number this, P ratio. Okay, that was required because we have solved examination question from all those concepts. That is important. This is important. Stock market is important. Revisionary class is important. Everything is important. Fine. So there are so many things to learn. These are chart, and definitely Reliance Industries is a very good company. It is India's #1 company, you can say, and you can have all the financials, balance sheet, income statement, balance sheet, cash flows, everything. See, share capital, reserve and surplus, everything we have covered in our class. Share capital, reserve and surplus, all these things are there. You can check any measure which I have given in your class. So everything is practical, nothing is theoretical. Fine. Relaxo Footwear. Share turned rupees 1 lakh into 78 lakhs in 10 years. This is known as power of equity. Yes, we are studying equity chapter. You must research why this share price rose so much. What is the fundamental? What is the technical? What is the policy of the company? Who is managing the company? What is company's equity share capital? What is company's growth? What is company's EPS? You must research. At least one company you should research. Rupees 11 to 54,000 in 26 years. MRF share they are talking about, but these are old screenshots. I have told you that I will make you research everything, whether it is old or whether it is new. Tata Motors share price rises 17%. because of earning. If company is earning good, then its share price increases. This is the concept which you are taking from this screenshot. If company is earning good, company's share price increases. If company is earning good, company's share price increases. Symphony stock made patient investor crorepati, turned rupees 1 lakh to 2.78 crore in 10 years. So many case studies you have, so many companies you can research. But it is not always from bottom to top. It is reverse also. A company named PC Jewelers had turned rupees 1 lakh into 4600 in 1.5 year. It means this company is not doing good. This company had not maximized shareholders' wealth. This company had eroded shareholders' wealth. This company is not properly managed financially. This company's financial management is weak. Fine. Actual shareholder to receive final dividend of 13 per share. So these are all practical. Dividend, they are receiving dividend and we are studying dividend. So friends, lots of practical things to understand. And I'm really very excited to teach you. And just I want you to follow my instructions and to be very active in class, because we will be conceptually number one, practically number one, stock market wise number one, in exam number one, in job number one, in entrepreneurship also number one. So today's practical session I am ending here only, but I really want to teach you more because I have so many slides. I have so many slides, I have so many screenshots, I have done so many research for you from last 15 years. This is a research of last 15 years. But one thing you should always keep in mind, do not restrict at any point of time. Right? I have so many research to show you. You can just take out the concept from this. Okay, this company is paying dividend. Why this company is paying dividend? Okay, this company is investing. Why this company is investing? Okay, this company is retaining more. This company's reserve and surplus is higher. This company share price is falling. This company share price is increasing. Why? I want you to do research. Fine, sir.